Hello traders around the world, welcome back to another video from Breakout Trading. Before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know if you are watching our videos day to day or not, maybe came across us for the first time, whatever, we are releasing a Discord. We're going to try and start a community, whether you're brand new to trading, whether you're experienced, whatever the case may be. Join our Discord community and we could chat through there, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. So all right, now let's get into the stock market. The SPY today just absolutely breaking necks, whiplashing people. We tested this line right here, the 342 zone again, and quickly rejected another time. And if we look at it on the 5-minute, we could just see how absurd of a day it was. I mean, quick drop to start down to 340, back up 341, almost 342, back down to 340, and then in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, we went from 340 to 342, then slammed down all the way back up, and then Hulk smashed way down to 338. I mean, just insane price action in the market today. Super choppy, just delivering whiplashes to everybody out there trading. I'm sure somebody smashed it on the way up and on the way down today, but I was not one of them. I try to avoid choppy markets, and today was definitely one of those days. So tomorrow is going to be interesting for sure. If we look at it on the hourly chart, I mean, we could come back down and test these levels again, but we are sort of potentially creating a new trend here. So that would be something to watch as a possibility. But yeah, there's really no telling where this is going to go. I'm just kind of sitting back and going to let it do its thing and play the big swings when they come. So let's see. Up next, we got ROKU. ROKU started off the day strong, getting up to a high of 174.19, then quickly selling off, barely closing above this line at 170. So I'm not too convinced that we're going to continue going higher and retest these all-time highs just yet. We might retest a little bit, then go higher, or we just shoot for it. I don't know, but that is not a super convincing candle to the bullish side for me. Next, we got BYND Meat. Yesterday I said that I really like this one. I got a close on this day just because of all this pressure cooking up and EMAs curving up towards it, and it had a phenomenal day, not selling off quite as much as the rest of the market, so that is a good sign for BYND Meat. I'll definitely thinking we're going to be testing all-time highs, maybe or not all-time highs, but testing the 166 area, 165 tomorrow potentially. I mean, it really doesn't have anything stopping it now at this point until then. So that'll be a good one to keep an eye on. Next, Tesla. Duh, of course. Gotta have the Tesla in there. Inside day candle for Tesla. So pressure is cooking. Just look for a break of either one of these. Hopefully to the upside, a little more room. But I mean, if it goes down, if it breaks below those, it could shoot back down to 370. But it also has this EMA as support around 400. So be wary of that. But yeah, maybe another inside day candle will form. That would be insane. Some more pressure cooking up, leading to an even bigger move when it does break one of those candles. So definitely keep an eye on Tesla. Next, we got Apple. Apple is just got killed, and now it's just chopping around here. This could be a potential double top pattern. So we could be going lower on Apple right now. A lot of selling to the end of the day today, which is a very weak sign. If we do end up dropping, look to maybe pick up some shares around 108. Worst case scenario to the downside, maybe even 100, which I mean, that would be awful if you're in it, but if you're not in it yet, try and pick up some shares at 100. That would be fantastic. All right, next we got Shopify. Also a bleeder, very similar to Apple right now. Lots of selling going on throughout the day into the close, and we are closing right at a pretty strong support. So these opens tomorrow are going to be very critical to the sentiment of the market. If we open below this, there was a lot of selling here, so people will be taking profits. We'll probably go a little higher and then go even lower, honestly. If we open below there, we could definitely come down to 842 and retest that before going higher. Yeah, so keep an eye on Shopify. I might be able to get some cheap shares even around 719 if it got really bloody. So we will see. And next and last, Disney. The pressure is still building on its doji. Perfect doji candle right there. Got all the way up to 133, down to 131, and closed 8 pennies from where it opened. So fantastic indecision coming in. This is going to be a fun one when it does choose a direction. It is going to explode either way. The EMA is just now touching it, and it's acting as a very good support. So yeah, keep an eye on that because a big move is coming. It could be a week from now, could be tomorrow. Who knows? Just wait for it and pounce on it when it does happen. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you being here. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, leave us a comment. We'll answer any of your questions. And also join the Discord. We look forward to seeing you in there. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.